Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making one repository and adding your friends as collaborators. This gives everyone push rights and a common place to work. Once done, create a basic README and a git ignore so commits are clean. Make sure to pick visibility. Private keeps code limited. Public makes sharing easier. Initialize a main branch and set branch protection rules quickly, because enforcing rules early prevents merge chaos. Finally, agree on a branch naming convention. This keeps history readable and reduces conflicts as you begin. You should develop on short-lived feature branches and push commits frequently so others can see progress. When a change is ready, open a pull request and explain the why in the description. Request at least one review to catch logic errors. Make sure continuous integration runs green, tests and linters catch regressions early. If conflicts appear, fetch main, rebase or merge locally, resolve and run tests again. Then squash or keep commits tidy before merging to preserve a clean history and faster rollbacks. You wrap up by tagging a release and creating a release note that summarizes changes and migration steps. Semantic versioning helps teammates know the impact. Once merged, review access levels, remove stale collaborators, rotate personal access tokens, and use deploy keys for CI. Make sure to document the rollback plan in case a release fails. If your local branch diverges badly, reset it by fetching and hard resetting or creating a fresh clone. This one troubleshooting tip saves hours. Use force operations carefully and communicate before you rewrite shared history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.